So today is going to be one of the hottest days of the summer, and this filter was actually changed around 2 months ago, and then this is a brand new filter. These are actually exactly the same filter. They even have the little pleats, little holes in the side here, and you can see these do too. But the biggest thing, even when you're on your air conditioning, that dust and dirt all still builds up in here, and it runs even more sometimes with your air conditioning. So that's why it's important to change this. Now I'm changing this today because today's going to be the hottest day of the year, and I don't want my furnace and the air conditioner running any harder than they have to keep the house cool. Plus this is, you can see this is already starting to bow down in, and that's saying that there's too much restriction. This is probably should have been changed already, but yeah, either way. So we're going to put in this brand new filter and help keep the house cool today. Hope you guys stay warm, stay cool, and make sure you're staying hydrated today, and above all else, be safe.